Hello YouTubes, it is New Year's Eve 2022, or Hogmanay if you're from Scotland, and this is my end of year roundup. Sit back, enjoy this show. Oh, stay tuned to the end, I have some news about Big Red Truck. Can you buy an HEI distributor for a small block Chevy for under $100? Yes, you can. Does it work? No idea. Let's find out. Well, that seemed to work. Quite happy with that. Time will tell whether or not it actually drives properly. Well, it looks like the Weather Channel got it right. This was a mistake. We're still moving though. This is not enjoyable. Shouldn't really be out in the day like this, but the sacrifices I make for you guys so that you don't have to. I need a coffee. Actually, probably need a whiskey. I better not go too far, because as you probably know, I don't have any windows, and I don't have any gloves either. Oh well, let's go. Hey, my little road's been cleared. I think he's waiting for me to leave. I think he wants to park here. Who knows what these school bus drivers get up to in their free time. Right, I'm going to head back. Absolutely gorgeous here. But my thumb has got frostbite. So I better get going. Hopefully the car will start and I'll be able to get him out of that snowy ditch I seem to have parked in. He'll be fine. Have you guessed what it is yet? It's a pony! Fantastic. Concluded. Tons to do. I've got no excuses. That's the only thing I don't have. So thank you very much. I want to get the rear diff in roughly the right position. I have decided that it's the PCM, possibly. Dog doo-doo. And so far it's good. So far. Hands up if you said PCM or ECU. I think that's it. I think it's finally resolved this bizarre problem of cylinder misfires and camshaft and crankshaft and all sorts of nonsense. I'm going to attempt to fit these gigantic mufflers, they're pretty gigantic, under my 1936 Chevy Coupe with small block Chevy 350. Oh, I've got car in my eyes. Okay, key. I want to hear what it sounds like. Meanwhile, I just can't help myself. It's like bursting those packaging bubbles you get. It's so satisfying. Good thing is that the rust only really goes up to the very top there. I think I just found my new favourite tool. Switch this on. Switch this on. Right, how do I make it fly? Ooh. Whoa! The most votes I got was for suggestion number 5, which was no one's going to see that, which, as you probably know, Andy from Scottrodsgarage is the winner. So, no, you can't suggest now, you've already won. Goodness sake. Good morning. Are you excited? I've not even looked at this yet. The paint might have just all fallen off. Let's go. Well, that was quite a busy year. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Okay, I've got an awful lot to do this coming year, but the news about Big Red Truck is finally painted. The rocker panels are done. Only a few jobs to go, and then we can move on with life. That video will drop tomorrow, 1st of January. I'm going to hit the ground running or something. Anyway, thanks for watching, and thank you to everyone who has helped me with this channel. It's grown quite a lot in the last year. The only way is up or down, hopefully up. Take care. Have a great new year, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.